Hello, this is Cyberjourney. Today I'm going to talk about Provident. Provident Bank was opened 126 years ago, 39, and it sold its bank in December 21, 2008. It's Baltimore's oldest bank for $400 million in stock. In the 1990s, they used to have an old account for it, and what they required, uh, I don't know, using floppy disk. It takes two parts. It's for Windows 95. And it comes with an instruction manual. It was like the first time you learn how to use comes with two floppy disks. It needs 12 megabytes of free space on your hard drive, 8 gigabyte RAM, VGA monitor, 9600 bps modem, 804086 processor recommended. Bank information, product applications, send and receive messages. And first thing you gotta do is create an account and create a. It's like a personal security code calculation, bank mail, and help desk. M&T Bank from Buffalo, New York. Share as it closed. Uh, it went. At once, the history of how Provident Bank was sold from Baltimore, Maryland. It's a 126, 36-year-old bank. It was sold to M&T Bank. And stay tuned for I'm going to upload some coupons and discounts from websites online so you can have some good savings. And I hope to see you guys next time.